Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Karrill the Diva. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by, and if you're not new, welcome back. For today's video, I'm gonna be installing one of those viral glueless wig for you guys. And this wig, I got it from TikTok shop, but I decided to make a YouTube video of it because I really like it. I've done wigs for TikTok shop before, but I never usually post them on my YouTube channel. But like I said, I really like this one, so I'm gonna be posting it here on YouTube and also on TikTok, so I will leave the link for you guys to find it on TikTok shop. So this wig is by Arabella Hair. It's their 6x5 real glueless lace front wig, and the color is balayage highlights. As you can see, it's described as their 3D body wave human hair wig, and it's pre everything like I said before. It feels really soft, no shredding, and I believe the length that I have is 26 inches. I'm gonna go ahead now and clean up my skin where I'm gonna be placing the wig, because I had a wig on that was glued down, so I'm just cleaning up all that residue so we could put the wig on a clean surface. Y'all, just look at how easy this wig is to install. This is the true definition of a glueless wig, if you ask me. I literally could have just put this wig on in the car if I wanted to, because I really didn't need too much to make it look good straight out the package. The way this wig grips onto my head, I feel like I could go skydiving and it wouldn't even shift. Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and use a comb and just brush in the front of it just to make the hair lay down how I want it. After this, I'm gonna use some edge wax stick and brush it all over it also, just to take care of the flyaway hair. Since it already has its own curl in it, I'm not going to mess with the curl today, but you could always go ahead and curl it the way how you want it to frame your face. But here is the edge wax stick I'm adding onto it. Like I said, this is going to take care of the flyaway hair and make the hair look more uniform. I also noticed here that the lace is a little bit lighter than my skin tone, so I'm using my bronzer to go over it a little bit. I really didn't even dip the brush into my bronzer. I just used whatever was already on the brush and dab it onto the lace just to darken it up a little bit. Here I'm going to add some more of the edge wax stick, but this time I'm going to rub it in my hands and then I'm going to rub it over the hair. And again, this is to take care of the flyaway hair, but this time it's going to be all over the hair, and it will also help the curls to look more put together. Honestly, y'all, at this point I'm just looking for stuff to do to the hair because I really didn't need to do too much to it, as you can see. But I'm happy I did the little bit that I did, like, you know, adding the edge wax stick on it and so on and so forth, because I think I am very much more pleased with the result of it, with the flyaway hair and all of that stuff, you know, all out the way. But let's go ahead and show the finished look after I change. This is the finished look, you guys. The hair is gorgeous. I love every inch of it. I still can't believe this is from TikTok shop. I am happy I decided to record it for you guys to see it here on my YouTube channel. I will leave the link below so you guys could purchase it just in case you're interested. I know some of you guys don't have TikTok from what you told me before in the comments, but I'm not really sure how else you could purchase it if you do not have TikTok. You probably would have to go to their website, which I will try and find a link for their website and leave it down below as well. Here's a quick look at the back of it, guys. Look at them curls. Look at how juicy and how bouncy they are. I'm definitely going to be wearing this wig again, and the next time I wear it, I'm going to curl the front so it will frame my face the way how I like it. So of course I have to show you guys, especially for the non-believers, that this wig is not glued on in any way, shape or form. It is 100% glueless, and they did not lie about it. Anyway, y'all, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like this video. If you would like to see me post more TikTok hair videos here, let me know down in the comment box, and I will post them whenever I get them. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!